morning, dears. How are you? I hope everybody is fine and happy. Today we are going to start with a game. Okay, fine. See here, I have a board. Okay, here I have the yellow coins are positive. Okay, and this green are negative. Okay, fine. You just see it. Okay, green is negative. So I place all the negative first. Okay, so here the question is for you is, it's a puzzle. -4 plus 3. Okay, it is a negative integer with a positive integer. So I have -4, that is -4 plus 3. Okay, we have to go find the answer for this. So here what I do is I put 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and positive is +3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Yes, so positive is +3. Fine. Okay, fine. So what I do is, you can for one positive and one negative, you can pair it and take it out. Understand? Is it clear? So if I want to cancel one positive, one negative, I can cancel it and take it out. Okay, so this is negative and this is positive. I take it. Okay, this is negative and this is positive. I take it. This is negative and this is positive. I take it. So left out is what? Negative. So the answer is -1. Answer is -1. Is it clear? Fine. Like this, I am going to do another thing. -1 plus -3 plus 3. Okay. This is the way we are going to do now. So first -1. So negative numbers. You can take it out the coins. So I take -1 is there. -1. -3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then +4. So 1, 2, plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Fine. Same wise we can do it. How will you do it? So here you get -1 and -3 plus 3. So I can pair it, isn't it? So how do I pair it? 1, 2, 3. Again my answer is what? My answer is -1. Okay, fine. So this is a game. Likewise, if you have buttons like white button and black button or any color, same thing, you can play this game. Fine. Oh. Now we are going to see addition of integers on number line. Here your question is 3 plus 5. Okay, you are going to add 3 plus 5. So go to the number line. You are drawing a number line from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep on going like this. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. It keeps on going, right? So you want to find 3 plus 5. If it is positive integers, you go to right side of it. Okay. If it is negative symbol is given, you move towards left side. Is it clear? This is the point in the number line. Understand? So now here both are positive. So I go from 0 to 3. Yes. From 0 to 3 I move. Okay. Then they are adding, from 3 they are adding 5. Isn't it? So from 3 you have to add 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 3 plus 5 is 8. Is it clear? Fine. Now, next number is -3 plus -5. So you know that negative symbol is given, move towards your left side of your number. So left side is -3. From 0 to -3, I'm here. I'm standing here. Okay, -3. I have to move to -5. Understand? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I move to, so the answer is -8. It's clear? Yes. So positive, you move towards your right side, and negative, you move towards your left side. Now see, plus 5 minus 3. So from 0 to, I move to 5. Okay, I'm in 5 now. And I'm going to have plus operation is here, but minus 3. So I have to move towards my left side, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3. So answer is what? You get answer is 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Is it clear? I hope you can understand. Fine. Now listen. Here minus 5 plus 3. Okay. So you stand in minus 5. You're standing in minus 5. Okay. Fine. And you want to add up plus 3. So you have to move towards your left or right. Very good. You're moving towards your right. So 1, 2, 3. So you move to. So you get what? Answer will be, you are standing in minus 2. So answer is minus 2. It's clear? Now see, listen here. Here you have a same number but with different opposite symbol. So plus 3 plus minus 3. So you are standing in plus 3 now. Okay, plus 3. And you are moving towards minus 3. So minus 3 is opposite direction, isn't it? So you move towards it. You get answer is what? 0. Okay. So 2 and minus 2. When we add it, we get what? 2 plus minus 2 is what? 0. So that is called as additive inverse to each other. They are additive inverse to each other. Imagine if I say minus 7, what is the additive inverse of it? It is plus 7. When plus 5, answer is minus 5. That is the additive inverse of that. Okay, is it clear? Fine. So same number, if it is coming, you can cancel that and put it 0. Right? So plus 16 and minus 16, you get the answer is 0. Yes? Fine. Go to exercise 6.2. Here it is given 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5. So you stand in 5. You are standing in 5. Okay. So you are adding 3 more to it. Okay. So I have 5 coins in my hand. I want to add 3 coins to it. Right. So I'm standing in 5. I'm adding 3 more to it. So from 0 to 5 I have moved to 5 and I'm adding 3 to it. 1, 2, 3. So answer is what? Answer is 8. So 5 plus 3, that is equal to 8. Is it clear? Now listen here. 3 less than minus 2. That how we can represent it in a numbers. So you can represent it as minus 2. You are standing in minus 2. You want to reduce that, isn't it? So what will happen? It is plus minus 3. Okay. So that is equal to, you want the answer. So here you are standing in minus 2 now. So then you move to 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is minus 5. Is it clear? Yes. So one step you are moving. Just like from minus 2, you are moving to 1, 2, 3. Okay. So you reach at minus 5. So answer is minus 5. So if you get both symbol is subtraction symbol, that is minus symbol, what you have to do is you have to add it but put the bigger number sign. So here bigger number sign is what? Minus. Understand? Right. Now you go to the another number line. Use the number line and add the following. Now you are going to add the following. See here. Here it is given plus 5 plus minus 11. So it is plus 5 and minus 11. So you go stand at plus 5 first. Okay. So you are standing in 5 now. Okay. Fine. From this you are going to, here it is a negative symbol, negative integer, minus 11. So that if you are moving 11 steps towards that side. Right. So what will happen? You can count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you stand at what? Minus 6. So plus 5 plus minus 11 is equal to minus 6. So if you get a positive number and negative integer, what you have to do is you subtract and put the bigger number sign. This is a rule. Okay, here we have represented it in the number line, but so we are commonly, if you are adding a number, what is the rule? If a plus symbol and minus symbol is given, what will you do? You will subtract and put the bigger number sign. What is the bigger number sign here? Minus. You have subtracted, isn't it? 11 minus 5 is 6, and put the bigger number sign. Understand? So what I am giving is, if it's a smaller number, you will represent it in a number line. If you are giving a bigger number, you can't represent it in the number line. Just you know the rule and you can do it. Understand? Fine. Likewise, see here, minus 2 plus 8 minus 4. Yes? Fine. So that's how we are going to do it. Yep, so you can start with minus 2. So you go stand in the minus 2 and add towards your right. Okay, so stand in minus 2 and count 8 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go reach at 6, isn't it? Then you want to go to, they are given negative symbol. So you will move to your left side, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is what? You stand in place 2. So answer is 2 plus 2. So here in integers, positive integer as well as negative integer, the symbol is so important. You have to put that symbol, whether it is positive or negative. Understand how you did this? First, minus 2, you are standing in the minus 2. Move 8 steps towards your right. So you went to here, 6. Then they are asking to move minus negative symbol, isn't it? Minus 4. So what do you have to do? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you reach at plus 2. So you write the answer as plus 2. Is it clear? Yes. So rest of the sums, you can do it. Next, add without using number line. Without number line, how will you add? Isn't it? So I'll explain you, then you can do this sum. Okay. So here, listen to this. I take plus 5. Okay. The operation middle is plus. Okay, fine. And I take plus 3. So all are plus. All positive means you can add it and put the plus symbol. Plus 8. Right. Now it is a change. Here it is plus 5 plus, it's a negative symbol, negative integer, minus 3. What will you do? Yes, you have to subtract and put the bigger number sign. Bigger number in 5 and 3, which is bigger? Plus, isn't it? So put the plus symbol, but you have to subtract. So 5 minus 3 is what? It is 2. This is it in an inverse way. Minus 5 plus 3. If it is like this. Okay, so any number you can change it, but symbol only you think it. Okay, use that negative and positive only you concentrate. Okay, if it is negative and positive, what you have to do? Same rule, you have to subtract and put the bigger number sign. So here bigger number is what? 5, and what is the sign? Negative. So put the negative. 5 minus 3 is 2. Look at the difference between these two things, right? So if it is bigger, you have to subtract. Subtract is a rule. Put the bigger number sign. Understand? Fine. Imagine 5 plus minus 3. Both are negative. Both are negative means what you can do? You can add it and put the bigger number sign. Understand? Both are negative means what you can do? You can add it and put the bigger number sign. So it is minus, and here also minus. Put the negative integer symbol and add it. 5 plus 3 is 8. Is that clear? This particular thing, you just copy it and have it in your hand. Okay. So this 5 and 3 doesn't matter. The rule alone matters. So all positive means you can add it and write it and put the positive symbol. And here positive and negative means you subtract and put the bigger number sign. Positive and negative means you subtract and put the bigger number sign. Both are negative integers. You add it and put the bigger number sign. This is the rule. Yes? Fine. Good. Now, with the rule, you can explain this without number line, right? Here positive is given and negative is there. Positive and negative means what I said. You have to subtract and put the bigger number sign. What is bigger number sign is for plus. So 11 minus 7 is 4. So plus 4. Is it clear here? Yes. Next, here negative and positive. Anyway, what is that? You have to do? You have to subtract and put the bigger number sign. So here bigger number is what? 18. So put the plus symbol. 18 minus 3, it is 5. Yes? Good. Now here see, both are negative. So what I said, both are negative. Add it and put the bigger number sign. So here bigger number sign is what? Negative. So 217 plus 100. So what do you get? 7, 1 and 3. So 370. Is it clear here? See? So once again shall we see this? So positive, you get positive. Negative and positive and negative and positive, what do you have to do? Subtract and put the bigger number sign. Negative and negative means you add it and put that sign, bigger number sign. Is that clear here? Negative symbol only will come. Understand? Fine. Next we go to like this. Find the sum. Fifth question. Minus 7 minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. If minus comes, what I said, you can add it and put the bigger number sign. It is minus 9 plus 7 is what? 16 plus 4 plus 6. So I said about additive inverse. Same number, minus 2 plus 3 comes means it's 0, isn't it? So here plus 16 minus 16. So it will become 0. So you can cancel it. 0. So what you get? The remaining is what? Plus 4. The answer is plus 4. Is it clear, baby? Fine. So I think if minus comes means you have to put the negative symbol and add it and write it. That's all. So you get minus 16, here plus 16. Both will get cancelled. Then both get cancelled means additive inverse means it will become 0. That's the thing. Right? Now we are going to see subtraction of integers. Find the value of minus 8 of minus 10. Okay. So now what we will do? Draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 goes on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, keeps on going. So you are standing in minus 8 now. Okay, minus 8. Okay. So already said it is minus of minus 10. It is a additive inverse. So that will become what? Plus 10. Understand? Minus of minus. So what will happen? Minus 8 plus 10. Is it clear? So minus of minus is additive inverse will become plus 10. So what will happen? If you are minus 8, 1, 2, you add 10 to it. So what will happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you reach at 2. So answer is plus 2. Is it clear? Right? Fine. Now you think that subtract plus 3 from minus 3. Okay. So you are going to subtract it. So you write the symbol minus 3 first. Okay. Minus of plus 3. Okay. So that becomes what? Minus 3 plus minus into plus will become what? Again it is minus symbol. Understand? Yes. So minus of plus 3. Again this will become what? Additive inverse of plus 3 will become minus 3. Understand? So that is equal to minus 3 plus minus 3. I said minus both symbol are there. What you have to do? You have to add it and put the bigger number sign. So here this is same number. So you can put the negative symbol. So minus 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. So again repeat this. So plus 3 from minus 3. Okay. So minus 3. Put the minus symbol plus 3. So you know that plus 3 additive inverse will become minus 3. Understand? So what will happen? So minus and minus symbol is there. You good? You have to add it and put the negative symbol. Is that clear? Fine. So you can take it to your book and you can follow me, right? So here, exercise 6.3, page number 131. You can do that sum, I hope. So here, exercise 6.3, first find A. 35 minus 20 is given. Okay, so here the same rule will be followed. Positive and negative is there. Positive and negative is there means what you have to do? You have to subtract and put the bigger number sign, isn't it? So you subtract, isn't it? So what do you get? 35 minus 20, isn't it? So what do you get? You have to subtract and put the bigger numbers. So 20 minus 15, 35 minus 20 will become what? 15. Okay, fine. Bigger number sign is plus. Simple. Likewise, think of this minus 20 minus 13. So minus minus. You have to add it and put the bigger number sign. So minus 20 and 10 is 30, 33. Clear? Fine. Likewise, you can complete that thing. Likewise, there is one fill in the blanks. You have to find out both. Then you have to find whether it is greater or lesser. So here minus 3 plus minus 6. Okay. And the blank is given and minus 3 minus of minus 6. How to find out? So you know that minus and minus means what you will do? You will add it and put the bigger number sign. So minus 6 plus 3 is 9. Yes. Right. Here minus of minus means additive inverse. So what will happen? It will become plus 6, isn't it? So what will happen? Minus 3 plus 6. Isn't it? So minus and plus comes means what I said, you have to subtract and put the bigger number sign. So if you subtract, what do you get? 6 minus 3 is, this is 3. Then it plus 3. Yes. Fine. So what will, which is greater? Plus 3 or minus 9? This is greater, isn't it? Positive. So this is greater. So likewise, you can complete the whole exercise. Now we are going to see fourth division. Find minus 7, minus 8, minus of minus 25. So both are given, isn't it? So what will you do? First you you change this symbol. Okay, what will happen? Minus minus means you put the plus symbol, isn't it? So what will happen? Minus 7, minus 8, plus 25. Okay, next thing is, what you have to do is, this minus, both are common. Take the minus common outside. So it will become what? Minus minus means it will become addition symbol. So what will happen? Take the minus out. 7 plus 8 plus 25. Is it clear? So 8 plus 7 is 15. So that will become what? Minus 15 plus 25. Okay. Now minus and plus symbol is there. So what you have to do is subtract and put the bigger number sign. So plus what? It will become 10. Is that clear? Fine. Likewise, you can do the other sums also. This I will do for you. Here see, both minus symbol means you have to put the plus symbol. So what will happen? 50 minus minus means it will become plus 40. Minus minus means it plus the symbol, it will become 2. Is that clear, dear? So 50 plus 40 is 90. 90 plus 2 is plus 92. So imagine this minus of minus symbol, it will become plus. Minus of minus, that will become an additive inverse of that. Is it clear? Fine. So I hope you can complete the rest of the thing in the book itself. Here no classwork activity. Only for the number line you do it in the classwork. Other than that, you can do it in the book itself. Rest of the sums all are in the book. So 6.2 and 6.3. You can do it in the book itself. It takes only very less time to complete this. I hope you enjoyed this class. Do the sum. We will meet in the next session. Thank you, dear.